Hey there, design enthusiast. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of color psychology in graphic design. If you are just starting out, this beginner's guide is your ticket to understanding the magic behind colors and how they can elevate your designs. Let's roll. Color is more than just eye candy in graphic design. It's a powerhouse that influences emotions, perceptions, and behavior. We are delving into the realm of color psychology, the secret sauce that turns a good design into an unforgettable one. So, why is color psychology essential in graphic design? Color is not just about making things look pretty, it's a storyteller, conveying messages and triggering emotions without a single word. Discover how understanding color psychology can take your designs from ordinary to extraordinary. First one is emotional impact. Colors speak louder than words, and we'll show you how. Warm colors like red and yellows brings energy, while cool blues and greens create calmness. Learn how to use colors strategically to evoke specific emotions in your audience. The second is brand identity. Colors are not just pretty palettes, they are the face of a brand. Explore how consistent color choices in logos, packaging, and marketing materials build a visual identity that customers remember and trust. Third is communication and messaging. Colors are the silent messengers in design. See how different hues convey messages from trust and reliability in healthcare to vibrant innovations in tech. Designers, it's time to let your colors do the talking. And the last is user experience. In the digital world, color is a game changer. Discover how the right color choices enhance user experience, guiding them seamlessly through websites and applications. Hint: bad color choices lead to confusion, and nobody wants that. Now, what's the concept of color psychology? Dive into the fascinating world where colors trigger psychological and physiological responses. We'll explore warm colors for energy, cool colors for calmness, and neutral colors for simplicity. Get ready for a crash course in creating visual magic. Contrast and complementary colors. Learn the art of creating visually stunning designs with contrast and complementary colors. See how they add that extra oomph, making your designs pop and captivate your audience. Color harmony. Unlock the secrets of a cohesive color palette using color theory. Whether it's analogous or monochromatic schemes, discover how harmonious colors contribute to a balanced and visually pleasing composition. Now let's apply the color psychology in graphic design. Ready to bring color psychology to life in your designs? Here are some actionable tips. The first is understanding the target audience. Tailor your color choices to resonate with your audience's preferences and emotions. Age, gender, and culture play a role, so be in tune with your target demographic. Second is establishing brand identity. Consistent colors across logos, websites, and marketing materials create a memorable brand image. Align your chosen colors with your brand's personality and emotions. The third is creating visual hierarchy. Guide your audience's attention with strategic color use. Bold colors for key messages, softer tones for secondary info. It's all about creating visual impact. Fourth is considering cultural sensitivities. Global designs need to be mindful of cultural nuances. Be aware of color associations to ensure your designs are respectful and inclusive. And the last is adapting to trends. Stay on top of design trends, but balance them with timeless principles. It's the key to keeping your designs relevant and impactful. And there you have it, the colorful journey into the realm of color psychology in graphic design. Remember, it's not just about making things look pretty. It's about creating meaningful and resonant experiences So bring some colors to your designs and keep designing, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy coloring!